Hi, welcome back to English 111 Online. This week, we're going to be working on the revision process for the rough draft that you turned in last week. This week, I want you to view my weekly video, which you're doing right now. I want you to read pages 91 to 102 in real writing concerning revision. Those pages are all about techniques for revision and things to consider when you're revising. Read the document on step-by-step instructions on MLA formatting a Google Doc, and I hope you're all using Google Docs. It's so much easier to use those. You want to view the Google slideshow on commas. That's just for a review. Commas are one of the most commonly made mistakes, and so review that. View the video on how to get feedback on a Turnitin assignment, because you will need to be able to do that in order to revise and resubmit your final essay. View the feedback on your rough draft from last week, and I have a short video for you to watch for that. That's why I said view that video first, because you won't know perhaps how to get the best feedback unless you view the video. And then because you can't make corrections in your in the Turnitin screen, you would have to go back to your original Google Doc and make your revisions there, and then resubmit it on the Turnitin link for your revised essay final grade. So here is the MLA format for Google Docs. It's something that you can click on. And do remember that you have to be signed into your Nash Community College student email to access this document or any other document that I'm providing for you on the middle page. So instead of just asking me for permission, just sign into your student email, and you'll be able to get the documents that you need for this course. The comma review slideshow is here. Again, you're going to need to be logged into the Nash Community College student email to have access to that. And then here is the link. You scroll down just a little bit. Here is the link for the video to watch on the Turnitin assignment feedback. Okay, here is the graded assignment place where you'll turn it in here, and that is available Monday through Sunday. Remember that your essay is due before midnight on Sunday night, and I have duplicated the Essay 1 assignment and put it on here too, in case you want to look back at that one more time before you submit your final essay. As soon as I start getting your final essays, within a couple of days, I'll start grading those. And remember that this essay counts 10% of your entire grade, so this is an important grade. You probably noticed that you got 100 on your revision, excuse me, not your revision, but your rough draft that you submitted last week. But that doesn't mean it was perfect. It just means that you did what I asked you to do, and I was able to give you some feedback that I hope you find useful. If you did not turn in that rough draft, of course, you got a 0 for that. But this one will be actually graded using the same rubric that I will grade all the essays by, checking the various things that are important in the assignment, and you'll get an actual numerical grade, and that numerical grade will be entered into your the section of your grades that says 60% of your grade comes from these 4 essays. This one 10%, the next 2 will count 15% each, and then the final one will count 20%. 100% of your grade. So it's important to do as well as you can. If you've revised properly and used my feedback and took advantage of being able to get feedback, you should do quite well on this. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be glad to help you.